Worried your digital agreement might not hold up in court? Let's fix that by adding notary information to your Docusign documents to guarantee legal compliance and validity. First, log into your Docusign account and either create a new envelope or open an existing one you'd like to notarize. Click the Add Recipient button from the drop-down menu. Choose Add Notary to include a certified notary public to your agreement. You'll now see a new role labeled Notary in your recipient list. Enter the notary public's name and email address in the designated fields. To customize notary settings, click Advanced Options here. You can specify things like notary instructions or attach additional documentation for the notary to review. Now, it's time to place the notary fields on the left panel. Find the notary stamp and notary signature fields. Drag and drop these onto the document where you want the notary to officially stamp and sign. Position the fields appropriately. Ensure they are clear and legible. Double-check all other recipient fields are in place before sending. Finally, click Send. Docusign will guide the notary through the signing process, capturing their electronic signature, stamp, and any required credentials, ensuring your document is legally sound and compliant.